Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today, everyone? Hopefully you are fine. Anyway, see you soon in the class. I honestly miss discussing with you, so see you soon in the class. Well, my brother and sister, in this video, I will discuss one of skills to deal with listening comprehensions of the TOEFL test. This skill is listen for emphatic expression of surprise. To understand this skill, we have to understand what surprise means. What is it? Let's find out. Surprise is terkejut, and terkejut is surprise. That's an excellent definition. Well, that's not what I mean, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just kidding. When we are surprised, it means we implies that something is not true. For example, when we see our score is bad, because we expect that we will get a good score because we have studied hard. So that's what we mean about surprise. That's surprise. Hopefully it's clear. From this point, we can conclude that if we listen the second speaker of the TOEFL test, especially in the short dialogue, and then the second speaker express the expression of surprise, we have to choose the answer that has the opposite meaning. Remember, the opposite meaning with what the second speaker says. Let's study this example. On the recording you hear, the woman says, first of all, "Did you see Paul driving around his Mustang?" And then the man replies, "Then he did get a new car." And then after that you will hear the questions, what had the man thought? Remember, in short dialogue or part A of the TOEFL test, we have to focus more on second speaker. In this example, the second speaker expressed the expression of surprise by saying, "Then he did get a new car." It means he expects that Paul did not buy a new car. So choose the answer that has the opposite meaning with that second speaker. Therefore, the best answer is D. Paul did not get a new car. Another example, when the second speaker say, "Then he is here," it means the second speaker pikir kalau dia tidak ada di sini. So pilih jawaban yang kebalikan dari he is here. Another example, when the second speaker says, "Then he can go," it means the second speaker pikir kalau dia tidak bisa pergi. So pilih jawaban yang kebalikan dari he can go. Another example, when the second speaker says, "Then you do play tennis." Ini berarti second speaker pikir kalau you tidak bermain tenis. Kalau you tidak bermain tenis. That's what the second speaker thought before. So pilih jawaban yang kebalikan dari he plays tennis. Okay, next, another example. Remember, focus on the second speaker. In this example, the second speaker says, "Then you did pass." It means the second speaker, mereka pikir bahwa you itu lulus. Ternyata dia tidak lulus. So, the answer is the opposite of you did pass, which is A. Another example, focus on the second speaker again. In this example, the second speaker says, "So you can ski." It means the second speaker, mereka pikir bahwa you tidak bisa bermain ski. Ternyata dia bisa main ski. So the answer is the opposite of you can ski, which is C. Last example, focus on the second second speaker. She says that, "So the mail has come already." It means the second speaker pikir bahwa the mail belum sampai. Ternyata sudah sampai. So the answer is the opposite of the mail has come, which is B. That's it. Hopefully it's clear. The next is your turn to complete the 10 numbers of exercise. Please implement the skill that I have explained previously. Do not skip the video. Complete the 10 numbers first, then after that, there is an explanation for each number. So you can check how many numbers are correct. Please write your number of correct answer down on the comments section below. There you go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Cross finger for you.
TOEFL Exercise 13. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of expressions of emphatic surprise. Number 1.
Greg should be here any moment.
Then he is coming to the party.
What had the woman assumed? Number 2.
My motorcycle is over there. That's how I got to school today.
So you can ride a motorcycle.
What had the man assumed? Number 3.
I'm having a few friends over for dinner tonight. Would you like to come?
So you do know how to cook.
What had the woman assumed? Number 4.
I'm so tired from all that exercise.
Then you did run 3 miles this morning.
What had the man assumed? Number 5.
I just spent 5 hours working on my research project.
Bob, you were in the library.
What had the woman assumed about Bob? Number 6.
I just finished carrying the last piece of furniture.
Then you have moved into a new apartment.
What had the woman assumed about the man? Number 7.
Would you like to share some of this piece of chocolate cake?
So you do eat sweets.
What had the man assumed? Number 8.
I'm studying now for my driver's license test.
Then you will take the test this afternoon.
What had the woman assumed? Number 9.
I'm heading off to physics class now.
Then you did register for that course.
What had the man assumed about the woman? Number 10.
The plumber just left.
Then the pipes have been cleared.
What had the man assumed?
Okay, how was that? Easy, isn't it? Let's discuss it together. Okay, let's listen number 1 again.
Number 1.
Greg should be here any moment.
Then he is coming to the party.
What had the woman assumed?
In this number, the second speaker says, then he is coming to the party. It means the second speaker pikir bahwa Greg tidak datang ke party. So the answer is the opposite of coming to the party, which is C. Let's listen number 2.
Number 2.
My motorcycle is over there. That's how I got to school today.
So you can ride a motorcycle.
What had the man assumed?
In this number, the second speaker says, so you can ride a motorcycle. It means second speaker, dia pikir bahwa you tidak bisa mengendarai motor. Padahal ternyata dia bisa. So the answer is the opposite of can ride a motorcycle, which is D, diamond. Continue, number 3.
Number 3.
I'm having a few friends over for dinner tonight. Would you like to come?
So you do know how to cook.
What had the woman assumed?
In this number, the second speaker says, so you do know how to cook. It means second speaker, dia pikir bahwa you tidak bisa memasak. Ternyata dia bisa. So the answer is the opposite of know how to cook, yaitu A. Number 4.
Number 4.
I'm so tired from all that exercise.
Then you did run 3 miles this morning.
What had the man assumed?
In this number, the second speaker says, then you did run 3 miles this morning. It means second speaker pikir bahwa you tidak berlari pagi ini, padahal dia berlari. So, the answer is the opposite of run 3 miles this morning, yaitu D, diamond. Continue, number 5. Let's listen.
Number 5.
I just spent 5 hours working on my research project.
Bob, you were in the library.
What had the woman assumed about Bob?
In this number, the second speaker says, Bob, you were in the library. It means second speaker, dia pikir bahwa Bob itu tidak ke perpus, padahal ternyata dia ke perpus. So, the answer is the opposite of were in the library, yaitu A. Next, number 6.
Number 6.
I just finished carrying the last piece of furniture.
Then you have moved into a new apartment.
What had the woman assumed about the man?
In this number, the second speaker says, then you have moved into a new apartment. It means second speaker pikir bahwa you tidak pindah apartemen, masih di yang lama. So the answer is the opposite of moved into a new apartment, yaitu C. Next, number 7.
Number 7.
Would you like to share some of this piece of chocolate cake?
So you do eat sweets.
What had the man assumed?
In this number, the second speaker says, so you do eat sweets. It means, second speaker, dia pikir bahwa you tidak makan yang manis-manis lagi. So the answer is the opposite of eat sweets, yaitu A. Hopefully clear. Next.
Number 8.
I'm studying now for my driver's license test.
Then you will take the test this afternoon.
What had the woman assumed?
In this number, the second speaker says, then you will take the test this afternoon. It means second speaker pikir bahwa you tidak ikut tes yang ini. Ternyata dia tes yang ini. So the answer is the opposite of take the test this afternoon, which is C. Next, number 9.
Number 9.
I'm heading off to physics class now.
Then you did register for that course.
What had the man assumed about the woman?
In this number, the second speaker says, then you did register for that course. It means, second speaker, dia pikir bahwa you tidak daftar mata kuliah tersebut. Ternyata dia daftar. So the answer is the opposite of register for that course, which is D, diamond. Okay, the last.
Number 10.
The plumber just left.
Then the pipes have been cleared.
What had the man assumed?
In this final number, the second speaker says, then the pipes have been cleared. It means the second speaker, bahwasannya dia itu berpikir bahwa pipanya itu belum dibereskan. Ternyata sudah. So the answer is the opposite of the pipes have been cleared, which is A. That's all. So how many correct answers do you got? Please write down below in the comment sections. How many correct answers have you got? Hopefully, all correct answer. That's all for this video. See you soon in the class. because as what I said, I miss discussing with you. See you. If you have any question, you also can ask down below in the comment section. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a great day.